Hi guys! In this video, we're gonna learn how to get games on PC for free. There are some ways to legally download and play games for free on your PC. Here are the few options. First, free to play games. Many games are available to play for free on platform like uh, this one like Steam or Epic Games Store. You can browse through the list of free games and download the ones that interest you. Give away games. Some game publishers offer free games for a limited time as a promotion or giveaway. Then game trials. Some game publisher offer limited time trial of their games that you can download and play for free. And last, open source game. Open source games are games that are created and distributed under an open source license, which means that anyone can download and play them for free. You can search for open source games on websites like GitHub or SourceForge. And that's how to get games on PC for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.